I'm gonna get I'm gonna give you a demo of the bass. Like I'm gonna go from none, like -12 to 0, and then to +12. This is none.
Talk to me.
All right. Now I'll go to 0. That's 0. Hey, add it or take it. Oh. Shit hit pretty hard. Oh man, I made these 2 speakers myself.
Here's what I do. I take care of you. I've loved and I've lost.